Welcome all to the first lecture of lesson Globes and Maps. I am Usha Rani. Today I will teach Introduction to Globe, Latitudes, Longitudes, Advantages and Disadvantages of Globe. Now let's understand what is globe. A globe is a three-dimensional scale model of the Earth. This is a globe. The word globe in Latin means globus, a round mass of sphere. Globes may be of varying size and type. The globe is not fixed. It is not fixed. It can be rotated the same way as a top spin. On the globe, countries, continents, and oceans are shown in their correct size. Next, imaginary lines of globes. An imaginary line running on the globe divides it into two equal parts. This line is known as the equator. You can see in picture. This is equator. The northern half of the earth is known as the northern hemisphere and the southern half is known as the southern hemisphere. You can see. This one is the northern hemisphere. Okay, and this one is southern hemisphere. They are both equal halves. Therefore, the equator is an imaginary circular line and is a very important reference point to locate place on the earth. Next, we will see what are latitudes. Latitudes are set of lines running from east to west. Latitudes are also called parallels. You can see latitudes. East to west. Okay. There are 181 lines of latitudes, 90 lines to the north of equator, 90 lines to the south of equator and the equator. The equator is the biggest parallel, also called the Great Circle. Equator. Equator. This is the equator is the biggest parallel, also called the Great Circle. The North Pole is indicated as 90° north and South Pole is indicated as 90° south. This one 90° north and 90° south. Next, now let's see what are important lines of latitudes. Okay, there are 5 important lines of latitudes. First one is equator, which is at 0°. You can see in picture, which is at 0°. Second one is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Okay, which is at 23.5° north in the northern hemisphere. Third one is Tropic of Capricorn. This one, Tropic of Capricorn, which is at 23.5° south in the southern hemisphere. Fourth one is Arctic Circle. You can see in picture Arctic Circle, which is at 66.5° north of the equator. Fifth one is Antarctic Circle. This is which is at 66.5° south of the equator. Okay. Next, now let's understand what are longitudes. Okay. Longitudes are set of lines running from north to south. Longitudes are also called meridians. They are also called meridians. You can see in picture. Longitudes. This one is prime meridian. Okay. There are 360 lines of longitudes, 180 lines on the west and 180 lines on the east of the Greenwich meridian, including the Greenwich meridian. The meridians are equal in length. They are equal in length. Okay. Next, the Greenwich. The Greenwich meridian is the chief meridian. You can see in picture. It is also called the prime meridian. Okay. It is also called the prime meridian. It divides the earth into two equal hemispheres called western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. This is western hemisphere and this one is eastern hemisphere. You can see in picture. Okay. The 180-degree longitude is also called the international date line. You can see in picture. 180-degree longitude is also called international date line. Understood, student? Next. Now let's understand what are advantages and disadvantages of globe. First we look advantages of globe. Globes help us to study geography. Pilots and sailors use the globe to plan travel routes. We can understand the occurrence of day and night with the help of globe. The disadvantage of globe, it does not show the whole earth at one glance. We cannot locate small cities and towns on a globe. We cannot locate small cities and town on globe. It does not contain all the information we need. Now, we will end it here today. Thank you and stay safe. Bye-bye.